Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We want to welcome you to Hartland Estate, a well sought after, vibrant and safe community centrally located on the north coast in Prairie St. Anne. Here, a well-maintained 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom patio home situated on a corner lot awaits you. It also consists of living, dining, laundry, storage, and patio. Make this the home for your residence, or it can be a great investment opportunity for a vacation rental home. It is approximately 5 to 10 minutes walking distance from the beach, hotels, and other recreational activities. This adorable turnkey property is love at first sight. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 37 million or US $240.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.